G'day everyone, and welcome to our introduction and installation guide for the CustomerHub app. In this video, we'll run through how to install the CustomerHub app, as well as how to work with the menu builder, our power-ups, and custom fields, as well as just a general overview of what the new customer account page will look like. The first thing we'll do is head over to our demo store so we can have a look at what the customer account page looks like without the CustomerHub app installed. You'll see that customers get access to their order history and an order details page. We'll head back over to the account menu and then jump back into the Shopify platform so we can install the CustomerHub app. To install the app, simply click Manage, then Manage Installation. You'll see that the Customer Accounts Hub app is already toggled on, so we just need to hit Save. We'll head back over to the customer account page and hit Refresh. And you'll immediately be able to see your new customer account dashboard. And if we click on View Order, you'll see that your customers have a much clearer image of their order details page. Heading back over to the dashboard, you'll see that we also have a built-in tracking button that, when clicked, gives customers easy access to their tracking information. Clicking on the My Orders tab gives customers full access to all of their previous orders. And we've also added a search bar to allow customers to filter orders more easily. We've also streamlined the profile section to include my information, the ability to change passwords, as well as edit, delete, and add addresses, all from a single page. This is the dashboard and features you'll see by default when installing the CustomerHub app. But if we head back over to the Shopify portal, we can start customizing the app to add additional features. We'll start by learning a little bit about the menu builder. By default, our menu builder gives you the ability to add custom URLs, Shopify pages, and app pages, as well as our built-in power-ups. First thing we'll do is add a custom URL. Because we're going to add a YouTube video, we'll update the menu text to YouTube video. And then we'll copy the URL and paste it into link URL. We'll then also update the icon and we'll move the position of that menu item. We'll save the changes. And you can see that video has now been added to the menu. We'll head back over to the customer account page and press refresh. And that link's been added. If we head back over to the menu builder, we can also move that YouTube video around to wherever we'd like. We'll go ahead and we'll add a Shopify page. You'll see that we can select which page we'd like to display. In this case, we'll just use the demo page. We'll leave the menu text as default. We'll choose a new icon. We'll hit save. And again, we'll refresh the page. You can see that Shopify demo page has now been added to the menu. And once it's clicked, that page loads directly inside of our app. Heading back over to the menu builder, we'll learn a little bit more about power-ups. If we head over to the power-ups page, you'll be able to see all of the apps that we've integrated into the CustomerHub app. For this example, we'll look up the Recharge app, we'll turn on that power up. Once we hit save, we'll be prompted to add the power up to the menu. We'll click on that, and you'll see that power up is automatically added to your menu. Hit save, and heading back over to the customer account page and pressing refresh, you'll see it added to your menu. If we were to remove that power up and wanted to add it again in the future, all we need to do is hit the power up button. For this example, we'll also add a few more power ups. We'll add the Return Prime app. We'll also click on the Edit button, and you can see here you can choose to change the menu text or the menu icon. We'll hit Save Changes. And again, refreshing the page will show that that's been added to the menu. To also demonstrate a few other power-ups, we'll head back over to the power-ups page, and we'll toggle on the Sufio app. We'll hit refresh, and you'll see that a download invoice button has now been added to the dashboard. If we also toggle on the Judge.me app, and hit refresh, you'll see that a review button has been added to each of your products, giving your customers easy access to review these products on your store. As well as our menu builder and our power up section, we also have a built-in set of plugins that can be toggled on and off to add additional features to your customer account page. For this example, we'll toggle on our reorder button, email marketing preferences, show order notes, our order status link, and the pay now button. We'll hit save changes, and refresh the customer account page. You'll now see that an order status button has been added to the order. And once clicked, your customers have easy access to view their order status. You'll also see the reorder button that once clicked will add all of the items available to an order. And if an order isn't available, it'll be partially added. If we also click on view order, you'll see that the order notes have been added to the order below. Heading over to my orders, you'll also see the pay now button that's been added to orders that are pending payment. Once clicked, You'll see the customer can easily go to their order status page and pay their order. If we head back over to the profile section, you'll also see that the customer can now update their marketing preferences. Heading back over to the Customize section of our app and going to Custom Fields, we'll demonstrate how to add a custom field to the customer account page. We'll start by copying the CustomerHub text and heading to Manage Meta Fields. If we then click on Add Definition, we'll create a birthday field by typing in birth date. Then updating the namespace to CustomerHub, selecting Date, and clicking Save. We'll quit from here, head back over to Customize in the CustomerHub app, and select Custom Fields, and hit Resync Meta Fields. You'll now see we're able to add the birth date to the customer's profile and the customer's profile card. If we head over to Profile, you'll see the new field that's been added under My Information. If we also update that with a date and hit Save Details, you'll be able to see that updated date in the profile card at the left. Heading back over to the Shopify customer portal, you'll also see that if you enter into a customer's account, those meta fields are saved directly to a customer's account profile. We hope this has been a helpful look into the installation and setup of the CustomerHub app. When installing, we do recommend going through the setup checklist on the right-hand side. We also have more in-depth videos and all of the features inside of our app. But if you run into any problems at all, please feel free to get in contact with us at support@customerhubapp.com.